Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Saint Laurent sunglasses model SL476 in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. On the frame are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. On its temples, you find the Saint Laurent logo engraved. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Saint Laurent Paris logo and the serial number, and that it is made in Italy. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is SL476, the color code, which is 001, and the dimensions of the frame. 58 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Saint Laurent case, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying a Saint Laurent black cleaning cloth and a Saint Laurent envelope, which holds a Saint Laurent card of authenticity and a Saint Laurent booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.